hit a dog fence, so had to had to break out the emergency dog fence repair kit that stays in the truck. It happens a lot, and there's just not much you can do about it. But what I like to use is the Fastenal Crimp, Solder, and Seal. So you're just on a butt splice ring connector. Almost your best connection is to crimp it, but then you also want to solder it to make it permanent and all that. This has a little bead of solder right in the middle, so you crimp the both ends and solder it. And once you crimp and solder, that's about as good of a butt splice you're going to get. And then the rest of the tube heat shrink, so that's how it seals. Here's one of the things. So the center ball is solder. The two sides here are crimpable connectors, and yeah, the rest of it's all heat shrink. A field repair in the dog fence companies, they just go right over the top of roots, so it wasn't buried, but a quarter inch. And as soon as I tugged up on the root coming over here, I mean, it's a big one. It just snapped. No biggie. Also keep with some spare wire. Didn't even have to use any wire. Use the existing wire. It was a clean break. Crimp, solder, seal.